In today's lecture, we will discuss classification of control system. The control system are basically classified into open loop control system and closed loop control system. In this lecture, we will discuss the example of open loop control system and its definition. Now, what do you mean open loop control system? A system in which the control action is totally independent of the output of the system is called as open loop system. A system in which the control action is totally independent of the output of the system is called as open loop system. That means there is no relation between output and input. There is no relation between output and input. There is no feedback. There is no feedback connection between output and input. The input and output are totally independent. Input and output are totally independent. Therefore, it is called as open loop system. Open loop means what? There is no feedback from output to the input. Input and output are totally independent. Now, basically, this is a block diagram of open loop system. It has input, that is R of t, which is called as excitation. Then there will be a controller which will control the process. Now this is a process. Process can be any type of process. It can be temperature control process. It can be speed monitoring process. Any type of process will be there. Controller U of t, output of controller is defined as U of t, and control output is defined as C of t. So this is basically a block diagram of open loop control system. Now take an example of open loop control system in the next slide. This is the example of open loop control system, that is electric hand dryer. Now this is basically electric hand dryer where hot air comes out as long as you keep your hand under the machine, irrespective of how much your hand is dried. That means it will not monitor whether your hand is dried or wet. It only circulate, or it only pass, it only blows the dry air or hot air to dry your hand. Okay, so electric hand dryer is basically nothing but what? A hot air blower which blows continuously the hot air to dry your hand. It will not measure whether your hand is wet or it is semi dried or it is completely wet. पूरी तरह से गिला है या सूखा है या उसमें कितना ड्राइनेस है कितना वेटनेस है वो मेजर नहीं करेगा. It will directly do the process of blowing hot air. Therefore, it is called as open loop control system. There is no feedback mechanism. There is no sensor to monitor this, whether there is a wetness or dryness. Next is automatic washing machine. This is again example of open loop control system. Now why this automatic washing machine is open loop control system? Here word automatic is used, but it is open loop control system. It is a system, but it is open loop because it is based on preset time. It is based on timing function. It will work according to timing related operation. For example, if you have kept a timing function of 10 minutes, that means for 10 minutes it will wash the clothes. After 10 minutes it will just give the beep so that you can understand that your clothes is washed completely. It will not measure, it will not check whether your clothes are washed properly or not. Okay, the washing machine में सिर्फ क्या होता है? टाइमिंग रिलेटेड फंक्शन होता है. That means it will operate according to the timing related function. 5 seconds, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, and after half an hour, after 20 minutes it will just generate the output. It will not check. Checking parameter is not there whether your clothes is properly washed or not. ये चेक नहीं करेगा, सिर्फ क्या करेगा? आधे घंटे तक, हाफ एन आवर तक ये क्या करेगा? कंप्लीटली वॉश करेगा. ओके, therefore it is open loop control system. It does not have any feedback mechanism to check the quality of clothes, whether it is properly washed or not. Okay, sometimes what happen, if after half an hour we see that clothes are dirty, again we are extending the timing operation from half an hour to 45 minutes so that the clothes are properly washed. Clear everybody? So automatic washing machine. Then there is a bread toaster. Again it is a bread toaster example of open loop control system where we are inserting the bread and there is some timing function for 1 minute, for 30 seconds and so on. And after 30 seconds, after 1 minute, the bread toaster will, what will do? It will pop up the bread so that you can see the quality of bread, and again you can increase the timing function for making it hard or soft. Okay, so this machine runs as per adjusted time.